If you play games on your computer, then you might want to take a look at the gaming settings that Windows 11 provides. So to access the gaming settings, first of all, you need to go to the start menu and then access out settings right here. So once you go into the settings, you can see gaming is an option right here. So let me just go around, click on gaming, and over here on the left side, you can see the gaming settings right here. So if you have the Xbox game bar right here, you can enable the Xbox or disable the Xbox game bar right here and set out shortcuts for different things. For example, over here, you can see that you want to open up the game bar, you can press Windows Z right here. So if I were to press Windows Z, then what happens is that you have the Xbox game bar, as you can see right here. So let me just close this around, and what you can also do using the game bar is you can take screenshots or record out games according to how you like, and even record out apps. So over here inside of captures, you see where you can actually go around and save out your captured clips. You can also set the quality right here, so you can set out the Microsoft volume for how you want to record this, or you can record out the system volume, select the frame rate by which you want to record out the video, and so forth from over here. So there's game mode right here, which is turned on right now. So if you were to turn that on, then what you can be sure of is that whenever you run games, then it is optimized to the maximum right here. There's also Xbox networking options right here if you want to play on network just like this. And that is how you can access and utilize the game settings inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.